In this video, we're going to replace this taillight on this Chevy Silverado. It's located in the bed right there. Let's get into it. There's two screws right here and right here. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take those screws out. Take those out and grab the light assembly and just pull it straight back, just like that. We are going to disconnect the wiring harness down below underneath the vehicle, but for now we're going to take these sockets out. So just grab the socket, twist to the left. Do the same for the other ones. And the wiring harness is clipped in right here. Slide that off and slide it out. Underneath the vehicle, you can see the wiring harness right here that comes from that taillight. If you need to, you can remove the spare tire, but it's not necessary. Just gives you a little more access. You want to go over to the driver's side where this junction is, disconnect the connector right here. Just push down on the tab, slide that off. And with a trim tool, just pop these clips off. And then from the other side, you can fish this through. And there's another clip right here. Take that one out. And that's all of them underneath. Now we can just pull this harness through. And all the way out. The new light has these push pins, so I'm going to take these out. You can just use a trim tool or a couple trim tools. Get underneath and just pop these clips off. I'm just using plastic tools just so I don't scratch anything. Take those out. The back side of the light, you want to remove the bulbs. Take a look at those. To replace those, you just pull this out, and this bulb is a 3157, and you're going to slide this in the same way, and then put the socket in, twist it to the right. For the middle bulb, this is the reverse light. Pull this out, and this is also a 3157 bulb. Slide that in the same way. And the final one, the bottom, this is going to be the same 3157. Take it out the same way. The bulbs that come with these lights are generally test bulbs, so it's recommended that you replace them. Now we can slide this in place. Start with the wiring harness. I'm going to slide it down same way the other one came out. That's good. Line this up. And push it in. So it clips in, that's good. And take the screws and get those started. You're gonna have to push on the light a little bit. Get the top one started. And tighten those down. And just snug it. Now take the wiring harness. We're gonna feed it through the same way the old one was. Slide it over up top. And we're gonna go over here. And we're going to plug this one back in right there. Lock it down. And just line these up. Now the new harness doesn't have these clips, so we're just going to transfer these over. Just use a trim tool or a screwdriver. Just pop these clips off. And one more. Slide those off. And put these clips back in the hole. Get the wiring harness lined up and lock them in. And just do the same for the other ones. Oops. And over here, last one. And lock it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.